About a year ago, I heard from someone about an amazing organisation called Carabiner. Now, what that is a program for people with certain disabilities to have a chance at, realising their full potential and dreams.
I'm growing every day.
Hi, I'm Genevieve. I am currently studying music at university and I want to make it my career.
To be the first person in history who's actually got some sort of disability to actually get into an organisation, which is hard. And I really would like to accomplish that journey of trying to get into the army.
Commentating a grand final, I think that will be end of the line. Right there, anything above that will be pretty special, but that's where I want to be.
I'm training to be the first person with a disability to swim across Cook Strait, and a goal that connects with that is that I'm trying to create at least one beach that's fully accessible.
It's a song and written variation on a theme. You may see me here now, but I know where I've been.
As part of my training, I have to swim in the ocean, otherwise I'm going to get nowhere. But a big thing about swimming in the ocean is accessibility.
Courage to do things like this thing with Joe. I wouldn't have thought to do something like this, so just being encouraged to do it is probably actually quite a bonus. You get these opportunities to do things that you might not necessarily get if you weren't part of something like that.
I suppose the main role is to meet with Josh on a weekly basis, talk to him about some of the things that he's doing in his study at AUT, and try and give him help and direction in that respect, but also to open up some opportunities for him to see how radio works and whether he might be able to attain those goals. He's been to Mount Smart and sat in for one afternoon with our rugby league commentator in Auckland.
Not much to do with disabled people at all, so I was a bit leery about it, but then met the guys from Carabiner, and given Jared's background in drafting, it seemed like a really good fit.
I value it very highly. It's been an amazing experience. Everybody's disability is different, so he's learning about my disability as he goes along.
Thanks to the mentoring program, Pip Cheshire has actually learnt a whole lot more about Jared's ability and value as an employee.
Never gave in, never gave up. I'm the only thing that I'm afraid of. No matter what, you'll never take that from me.
$15, $16, $17.
You've got to push past it. Remain positive as best you can.